In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand toolbar. You're looking for the commerce icon there. Hover your mouse over that icon, and from the options that appear, select Payment Links. This will take you to the Payment Links area, where you'll see any existing links you've already created. To make a new one, click the Create a Payment Link button. A drop-down will appear asking whether you want to start from a blank link or use a template. For this walkthrough, choose a template. On the left side of the screen, you'll now see a list of templates tailored to different use cases, such as professional services, subscriptions, paid content, projects, physical goods, and donations. When you click on any of these, a preview appears on the right side so you can quickly see how it will look. For this example, select the paid content template. Once you're happy with that choice, click Next at the top right and wait a moment for the editor page to load. When the editor opens, a panel will slide in on the right-hand side where you can customize your line item. Start by editing the line item name to something your customer will clearly recognize. You can also add a short description to explain what they're paying for, which helps reduce confusion and support questions. Next, scroll down to the billing section. Here, choose the appropriate billing frequency, such as a one-time payment or a recurring schedule if your template supports it. Right below that, you'll see the adjustments and tax section. If you're offering a discount, enter the unit discount here, and if you need to charge tax, select or add the correct tax rate. In the pricing section, choose your pricing model. This might be a fixed price per unit, usage-based, or another option, depending on your setup. Then enter your unit price and the quantity you want to sell through this link. Take a moment to double check these numbers because they're what your customer will actually be charged. When everything looks correct, click Save at the bottom of the panel. The panel will close and you'll be back in the main editor. Now click Create in the top right corner. HubSpot will generate your payment link. Once it's ready, go back to the main payment links page. You'll see your new link listed there. Hover over it and a copy link button will appear. Click that to copy the URL and then you can share it with your customers via email, chat, or anywhere else you communicate. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment link in HubSpot.